Tuchel, good evening, sir.
Look this evening well with your eyes. Tell me, what's good about them?
Okay, sorry, sir. Bad evening, sir.
This boy, no let make I brush you and that your mic come out from my front door. You dey mad?
Sorry, sir. But what I go greet you, sir?
No greet me anything, Joe.
But them teach me to dey always greet my elders, sir.
See, boy, just ask your questions and make sure say no be mumu question before I teach you my manners.
Okay, sir. As na don lose to Dynamo Zagreb, who una go fit come beat for una group?
You dey craze?
No, sir.
Which kind question be that one? We go win AC Milan and Salzburg, even Dynamo Zagreb for the second leg.
Ha!
What do you mean by that statement?
Sir, I don't mean anything, no. Na just say some people don't bet their wife and children, say una no go fit win AC Milan or even Salzburg.
See, this boy, no let me get Oh! Who be this person where they call by this time? Oh, this man said, why they call me by this time? Hello? Oga Bully, how family, sir? Sir, you know say sometimes I know they understand the American English. What do we come play for Zagreb? Na boss, sir. I understand, sir. Now why they go discipline them like this as we land London? Them never say anything, sir. No, I never discipline them enough, sir. Them never say anything, sir. What do you mean by now me them suppose discipline? Oga no be so them they do am o. Now me save Chelsea when Lampard been they carry them go relegation that year. I even use that same Chelsea carry Champions League. Oga, no be so Oga Abramovich they take do things when he been there o. What do you mean? You send Kepa to pack my car from London come meet me? Can you imagine this man? He no fit sack me just like that now.
Him don't fit sack you o. See your kaya. Oga Bully send me inside in private jet. Say make I go London pack your kaya come. Him say him no want make you reach London. He want make you from Zagreb they go your house.
What be the meaning of all this nonsense? Kubala, you dey see this nonsense?
Sir, I no say anything, no. I don't dey go my house.
What you want make him see?
You, now this kind message they like go quick now. After I start you for game finish, now so they take repay me, abi?
Why I no go the message quick? After I done they tell you since. Say make you dey use me as your first choice keeper. You no agree. Instead, that mean the way they like the dribble for front of him post, you go they use.
As I start you for this game, you no still chop goal?
How I no go chop goal? You go buy defenders finish. Send them to go play attack and midfield.
This boy, he no go better for you. Hope say you pack all my things for that bag.
Now you no go better for. Your toothbrush and boxers there for the side of the bag. All the other things there inside.
Now God go punish you.
Boys, abeg, wetin I do now? Abi una no dey motivated to play ball again?
Coach, you know sir they like talk my mind for this kind matter.
So wetin be your mind now? Make we see as we go take reason am.
Coach, dem be dey tell you say make you go buy better young midfielder before transfer window close. But you no agree. Now people like me now the chairman our midfield.
See, Van Dijk, no dey call my name before I come brush you for there.
So na me you dey blame now?
No be sir they blame you, but
My back! My back don't tear.
But wetin? Nonsense. Wetin concern midfielders wey Osimhen carry you play? Nonsense boy. And you wey dey find person to brush. Why you wan catch ball with your hand inside 18?
I get
Nonsense.
for also.
Woman.
I don't hold past this kind thing.
Gomez, how far now? I dey, sir. This one wey all the Napoli attackers just dey use and dump you. You be olosho? No be all of them use and dump me o. Na just 3, sir.
My Lord and my God.
3 never do to turn you to ashawo. You even dey counter. Arnold,
Say,
you don tire to play ball? Abi na just motivation you dey lack?
I never tire, sir. I still dey motivated.
Then why you come dey stroll like agwagwa wey carry im children dey waka after you don see say dem beat you with ball?
I been see say Gomez don already dey cover up as dem pass. Yeah! I don die,
If dem beat you, you suppose cover up immediately. Foolish boys.